wanna taste it? Yeah, you like. You will like it.
I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
I'm going to prepare my ingredients here inside the house, but I'm going to cook them outside because Charles really hates sardines and I can't fry the sardines inside. So I'm going to cook outside and prepare my ingredients here inside the house. So this is all my 6 ingredients, guys. The first one is cabbage, the sardines. I'm using this tropic sardines that Sis Yvette sent me, and salt, oil, onion, and garlic. So let's go ahead and get started cooking. So I'm debating, guys, where I'm going to cook kasi sa front yard namin medyo it's sunny, and in the backyard there is a dog and a bit sunny, but there's a shade. So I already have here my portable, what do you call this? Portable stove, and well, as see, this is our backyard, guys. I just don't want to make a noise kasi yung dog. So ayan yung backyard, and there's a back. There is neighbors here as well. So as you can see, and ayan, may neighbor kami dyan, and sometimes lumalabas sila, pupunta dyan. So nakikita nila ako pag dito ako sa backyard kasi someone told me na dapat ano daw sa backyard na lang magluluto. And actually the weather today is 80 Fahrenheit. So I think so yung ano kasi yung outlet is nandito, ayan, and I'm planning to cook right here, pero wala ditong ano, walang outlet dyan. Ando doon kasi yung outlet. I don't think if my outlet dito, o wala din outlet dito eh. So I don't know where I'm going to cook. I don't know if I can cook right here. So I think what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to bring the extension para makapagluto ako dyan. Dyan ako magluluto. So I'm going to bring the extension and also the table right here para may mapagpatungan ako, guys. So wait lang, guys, ha. I'm going to... Ang hirap kasi. Ang hirap magluto sa labas. Kailangan ko pang dalhin yung table. So wait lang. So, hindi mo na ako makapagluto, guys, kasi si Charles nagyaya na ano, magpapalit kami ng bed. Yung mga bed namin, papalitan namin yung back spring tsaka yung kutsyon. Ayan. So, ayan. So, tinanggal na niya, tatapon doon namin. So, magluluto na sana ako. Ayan. So, siguro mamaya na lang ako pagbalik magluluto. Lalagay ko lang muna sa ref yung aking cabbage. And magbibihis lang ako kung tatapon kami ng back spring sa dump site. Sige, guys, see you again later, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday and I don't know what is the date. I think it's 24th. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's 24th, I think. and I'm not able to cook my cabbage and sardines the other day because we went out, so I'm going to cook it today. And Charles already finished his lunch. He had a baked beans with ham that I baked the other day, I think yesterday. Yeah, so there we go guys, let's go ahead and cook sardines. Actually it's hot outside, I mean it's sunny. I supposed to cook it in the front yard because there is a shade, but I don't wanna pick the table and bring it in the front yard again, so I will just cook it right here in the backyard. Let's go ahead guys and let's start cooking. I cook my sardines. Oh, it's right here. The rice is almost done. So I want rice. It smells really good.
No, it's not almost done. It's 19 minutes.
No, it's wrong because it's almost done. And it will suddenly crack. Where's the salt? Yeah, I'm going to use this one instead. We have no more vegetable oil. More.
Here's the salt on here.
Oh. This one is fine. Going to cook my cabbage and sardines. Fried cabbages. Do you want me to make this for you? Do you want me to make this for you? Here. Rice water is very good to drink. Just like it boiling like that. And there is some water that is kind of thick water. It really tastes good. Next time I will get for you. You want to taste it? Yeah, you like. You will like it. In the Philippines, if babies has no milk, that is what they're doing. The rice water. They will boil rice and they will get the water before it gets dry. And you have a package. This is your package. And package. And your package. Right here, baby. Bills, a lot of bills. You're so cutie.
Lots of bills.
Come water here. So hi guys, let's start cooking na guys. And so I already got here all my ingredients. I'm already sweating na guys. It's really hot here outside. And I got here the oil. I got here the garlic and onion. And I have here 1 sardines because I'm the only one going to eat this sardines and cabbage right now because Charles doesn't eat this one. So yeah, this is from Sister's Yvette. And oil, and then this is the salt, and also got water because I'm going to put a little bit water so that I can have soup. And also I got here the cabbage. And let us start cooking na. Yung neighbor namin guys, hindi mapakali. Kanina pa labas-masok, labas-masok. Napansin siguro may lulutuin ako. So ayun na, open ko na to. Kasi it's really hot na outside para I don't need to stay long here in the outside. It's really hot. Kain tayo ng Sardines at Repolyo. Wow, sarap. Actually guys, bawal sa akin itong Repolyo kasi mahirap siyang ma-digest. Pero matigas ang ulo. Kakain pa rin. Ang sarap, bango. Tagal ko na din nakatikim. Maybe magwa 1 year na. Kasi sa August, magwa 1 year na ako dito sa US.